Here's the stairs. You walk up 4 flights. Come here. It doesn't lock on its own, so you have to manually lock it. So as far as locking goes, you get that, and you just get like a lock like this. 2 lights. It's like that. That one just lights up that. That one lights up that. You're recycling a tiny trash bin that you will have to empty quite often. I just hung up a bunch of these. I found it really useful, just like everywhere. The person before me had some like this already done and they left them, so I appreciate that. I'm just gonna leave these for the next person. This is what you get, a nice, I mean, I didn't have any complaints about the bed, honestly, but like, I'm also not too picky about that. I had like a little, one of those like foam top things that I put on top. You can raise the bed. I don't know if you see that. I could raise it a tiny bit more if I wanted to. Most people had it lower because I did have to physically jump into bed every day, but I don't care because I fit so much stuff under. I had a mini fridge, 2 suitcases. At one point I had my snowboard, like my boots, helmet, laundry, this chair, because it comes with a rocking chair. And I did not like it, and I was gonna be spending a lot of time here, so I invested in an office chair. I just moved that out. I was like calling you to say I'm making a vlog of my room tour. I might be a minute, and you're, Julie, I'm like paying you for this. But this is like the slidey desk that came under here. But my chair didn't fit with this attached, so I had to unscrew it, but I don't feel like putting it back together, so I hope I don't get in trouble for leaving it like this. It came with a lamp. I got my own just because mine also had like, you could charge your phone on it or whatever. Lots of shelving. This I think some people put under their bed. I just left it here because I didn't want to get rid of the counter space. 3 decent sized drawers. I put like, one of them was just for shit, like just crap. One was for like my toiletries and like, just like hairbrush and all that stuff. And then over here, I guess this just extends the desk a bit more. This drawer, I didn't even need to put stuff in it. Like, I didn't really use it. And some more shelving. I'm scared to open that because I don't know what spiders will be in there. This is warm. And I would like put my clothes on here and then in the morning they would be warm. Blinds. I never shut them, so I don't know how many people saw me naked. Especially because I look right into the comments. Well, the comments are, oh well, you know what, for free. You can open this. It just, oh, gosh dang it. It took me a while, and then once you get it, you have to like lock it to the side. Just like, there we go. I never really like to open this because, again, I didn't want spiders coming in, but it just opens to there. Get a nice breeze. I just had my fan, a little fan that I put on my desk. That's where I like plug my fridge in and put it under there. And then the closet, I'll use that at all. I just hung my stuff there, put some like hoodies up there. It was like a decent amount of room, and then I put my shoes all down there. I have a lot of clothes and I was able to fit them all generously. And then I had this shelving too to put like shorts and sweatpants and all my pants in there. And then all these shelves. My one complaint about these, not shelves, but like drawers, is that they're all pretty skinny. So like, what are you gonna fit in there? Like no clothes or anything. But like my towels and stuff I fit down there. Overall, pretty solid. I put like my tennis racket, baseball glove, rollerblades, hockey skates, basketball shoes, soccer cleats, like all up there. And yeah, it like, no complaints, honestly. Never had a fire alarm. A lot of the other places had a bunch. But this is me leaving. Forever. Lights off. Locked it. Goodbye. And then here's the hall. This room is a mess right now. I never really spent any time in here. I used that microwave for popcorn, and I filled my water there and just had to empty my trash into these big bins. You got some couches. They're actually not too uncomfortable, and then a TV. And this light has been flickering for forever, so I don't know when they're gonna fix that. This was like the only full-length mirror. I have one in my room actually. And then bathroom. Hello. Showers. This is cold water. This is warm water. This is warm water. This is warm water on the cold water setting. Lots of sinks. And then only 3 stalls, which was fine. But like this toilet, it's just is always running. I don't know what's going on there. And they clean them every day and restock like that. So it was no complaints. Don't want to touch that. Thank you anyways, because people don't wash their hands. So okay. Last time leaving that bathroom. Goodbye.